Brad Williams, Excel Prime, a columns and row review. We're going to count some rows, we're going to count some columns, and then we're going to do count blank. We've seen count blank in the past. We've seen rows and we've seen columns. What we're going to do is we're just going to reference this list right here. This is important. We're going to count how many rows are in B5 to 107. You could simply go 107 minus where's B5? 5. So what's 107 minus, and keep in mind that you have to add the row that you are initiating this. So we have B5 107. The 107, it's actually 4 because, well, anyway, it's 103 rows. So it's B5 107, 103 rows. Columns. B5, forget the 5 and the 107. All we're saying is count B to E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count blank. Well, remember count blank? Look at B5, E107. If you look here, a lot of this stuff won't show us blank. If you wanted to just do a quick check, go 4 times 103 is going to be 412. And all we're seeing is 395 because where's E? Right here. Where does B start? Right here. What'd I say? There was a 412. Looks like there's 17 non-blanks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There's 18. All right. Excuse my math. 4 times 3 is 12. And 12 and 5 is 12 and 5 is 17, right? We went to E5. Oh, I counted one extra number here. So it should be, we have 6. There should be 11 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 and 6 is 17. Well, there you go. So when you're not using count blank and you're not using columns, you know you can do it manually. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, the little review on rows, columns, and count blank.